Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete iPhone for trade-in. First, you need to back up your iPhone. Just make sure you don't lose your photo, contact or app. To do this, open the setting, tap on the name at the top, then tap iCloud, then tap iCloud Backup and choose Backup now. Wait for the backup to finish. Next, you need to sign out of Apple ID. For that, go back to the setting, tap on your name at the top, scroll down and tap sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and confirm. This turn off activation lock which is required to trade in. Now it's time to erase the iPhone. Open the setting, then tap on general, scroll down and tap transfer or data reset. Next, tap erase all contact and setting. Your iPhone will now show a summary of what will be deleted. Tap continue if promoted, enter your passcode and confirm by tapping erase iPhone. Your iPhone will be now begin erasing everything. This process may take few minutes. Once finished, this iPhone will restart and shows hello setup screen. This means your iPhone will fully erase and ready to trade in. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.